Hey guys, welcome to our session on hash maps. And if you do not know already about these data structures, then they may sound a little difficult, but in actual, they are not. I will give you some easy examples of how to use them, and they will seem pretty simple once you get the idea. So hash maps are basically key value pairs. So you will have a key, and for each key, you will have a particular value. So suppose you have keys like 1, 2, 3. And then for each key, you will have one or more than one value. Suppose for 1, I have my name here. Suppose for 2, we have my friend's name. Suppose for 3, we have another name. All right, these are commas. So you can see that the 1, 2, 3 are simply keys, and for each we have a single name: Akash, John, and Amy. Okay, and the hash map, what it does is basically it makes use of a hash function. This hash function is kind of inbuilt, or you can make your own hash function, but the main idea is that this hash function computes an index with a key into an array of these buckets or slots. So this hash function will decide the key, the index of this key, and that's how this hash map achieves O1 of search lookup. Suppose you want to check if like the key 3 exists in this map or not, then it won't iterate through all of the keys. The hash map will give O1 lookup based on this hash function. So suppose I name this whole map as M. If I want to, like, I can access the key 3, M3, just like the arrays. This will give me Amy. And if I want to like search, if I have a condition, I can search if 3 in M. So this thing will run in O1, and I will know if the key 3 exists in this or not. And yeah, lookup time depends on the load and collision, basically the number of entries or the total entries. Suppose for one key, I have multiple names here. I have like another character B and then another character C here. So this will make the time more, but overall, searching for this key or searching for Akash in this particular key, this time will be less than in an array or a linked list. And one thing that you should know is that these keys or these elements are not sorted in HashMap. So they can be like random. And let me also show you how in Python you can use HashMap. So suppose in Python you can like create a variable hash. Suppose we use dictionaries in Python. So suppose this is an empty hash map, and if you want to like add a key, so you will use like array, and then you can either make a list of names. So name is the value and 1 is the key. And if you want to append to this one value, you can simply do append like class or anything else. All right, so I will discuss a question in the next video, but for now, these are the basics of HashMap. Remember, key value pairs and O1 lookup, those are the major things. And once you get the idea of it, they become pretty easy. So, all right, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.